Hey everyone! Today in this video lesson you will be exploring equality within a linear equation. So what we're doing is we're starting our first steps of solving linear equations by using objects like coins and pouches. We must first start by asking the question, what is equality? In mathematics, equality is when two values are equal, and in the case of our linear relationships, our goal is to maintain equality on both sides of the equal sign. So given the problem 85 equals 70 plus 15, we can see how this equation maintains equality on both sides of the equal sign. If I separate both sides of the equal sign with a line down the middle, I can see that the left side is a value of 85, while over on the right, 70 plus 15 also values 85. So we can see that they are, at this point, both equal. However, what if I subtract a value of 15 from the left-hand side of the equation? Well, if I subtract the value of 15 from 85, I'm left with 70. Therefore, on the right side, I'm going to also have to subtract 15 so that I end up with 70. 15 minus 15 cancels out, so I'm left with that remaining 70. So I can see that they are now both equal. Let's try a different example. If I add 10 to the right side of the equation, then I have 95. So if I want my left side of the equation to also equal 95, I'm going to also have to add 10. That way, I've maintained equality on both sides of my equal sign by doing the same operation with the same number. All in all, to maintain equality, you must perform the same operation to both sides of the equation. Today we're going to look at an example of a fake made-up land with this fake made-up money system, and we're going to have that help us look at how to explore equality before we start using variables and numbers. In the kingdom of Montrek, far, far away, ambassadors carry pouches that contain gold coins. The amount of coins in each pouch are unknown, except by the ambassadors. The king of Montrek, King Monty, of course, needs your help. The king forgot how many coins are in each pouch. His daughter Sarah has a plan based on equality to help track the number of gold coins in each pouch. So here we see below coins on the left side of the equal sign. We have 10 coins on the left side of the equal sign. And then to the right side, we have 4 coins and 3 pouches. Two things are for certain with this situation. Each of the pouches contains the same number of gold coins. So each of these 3 pouches contains the same number of coins. And the number of gold coins on both sides of the equality sign is the same. But some coins are hidden in the pouch. So I know I have 10 coins on this side. That means that I must have 10 coins on this side. So I'm left with 4 coins and then the remaining 6 in those 3 pouches. Let's try an actual example. Using the previous example, let's figure out how many gold coins are in each pouch. We already identified that there are 10 gold coins on the left side of the equation and 4 coins just sitting out on the right side of the equation. So what I'm going to do is cross out 1, 2, 3, 4 coins on the right side, 1, 2, 3, 4 coins on the left side. So what I'm doing is I'm maintaining equality by subtracting 4 from this side and then also subtracting 4 from that side. I'm left with 6 gold coins on the left side, and those 6 gold coins are going to be divided amongst the 1, 2, 3 pouches. So as I group my coins, my 6 coins can be divided evenly among my 3 pouches by having 2 coins in each pouch. Therefore, each pouch contains 2 coins. Let's do another example. In this problem, I have 18 gold coins on the left side of the equation, and on the right side of the equation, I have 6 gold coins and 2 pouches. So to maintain equality, let's subtract the same number of coins from each side. Since we have fewer number of coins on the right side, let's cancel those out first. So we are crossing off 6 gold coins from the right side. Therefore, we are going to cross off another 6 gold coins. However, this time it is on the left side. Now I am left with 12 coins, and those 12 coins are going to be divided amongst the 2 pouches. So I could look at this in a couple different ways. I could look at this as 12 divided by 2, but if I keep looking at it in the idea of these little pictures, I'm going to group off every 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And I grouped off in 2s to represent the 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, the 2 pouches on the right side. So when I group up these coins into 2s, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different clusters of coins. Therefore, 6 gold coins are in 1 purple pouch. So each purple pouch contains 6 gold coins. Again, we did that by maintaining equality, subtracting the same number of coins from each side, and then I took the remaining coins and I divided them evenly amongst my 2 coins. But what happens now when I have pouches on both sides of the equation? Let's do an example like that to figure it out. In this example, I have 8 gold coins and 2 pouches on the left side of the equal sign. On the right side, I have 6 coins and 3 pouches. So as before, I'm going to cross out the smaller number on the one side of the equal sign. And to maintain equality, I'm going to cross that same number out on the left side, and that would be 6. So essentially, I have subtracted 6 from both sides. I'm left with 3 purple coin pouches on the right side, 1, 2, 3, and on the left side, I'm left with 2 coin pouches and 1, 2 coins. So now what I'm going to do is cross off an even number of coin pouches on both sides. On my left is my fewer number. Oops. On my left is the fewer number. 1. Hey there. Where's my pointer? There we go. 1, 2. So I'm going to cross off 1, 2 pouches on the right side. So I'm left with 1 purple coin pouch on the right side and 2 coins on the left side. Therefore, each pouch contains 2 gold coins. If you were ever wondering if your work was correct, a thing that you could do to double check your work is to go back and replace each pouch with the value of 2. So on the left side, I had 8 coins, and then I had 2 coins in each pouch, so that would be plus an additional 4. 8 plus 4 is 12. Does that equal my 6 coins plus 2, 4, 6? The 6 coins in the pouches, that also equals 12. Therefore, both sides of the equal sign do contain 12 coins. Some are just in pouches. So that's a way that I could check my work. I'm going to do one more example with pouches on both sides of the equal sign. If you're ready to move on to the page where it says homework, go ahead and fast forward. If you would like to watch and follow through the next example, stay tuned. Here we go. On the left side of the equal sign, I have 21 coins and 2 pouches. On the right side of the equal sign, I have 3 coins and 5 pouches. So I'm going to start with my coins, and I'm going to cross off the fewest number first. So on the right side, I have 3 that I am taking away, so essentially I'm subtracting 3 from the right. Therefore, I'm going to subtract 1, 2, 3 from the left. Now I have 0 coins on my right and 18 coins on my left. I'm going to subtract the fewer number of pouches, which is 2 from the left side. I'm going to also subtract that on the right side. So if I subtract 2 on the left, to maintain equality, I'm going to subtract 2 on the right. Now I am left with 3 pouches on the right side. Now I have these 18 coins to divide evenly among the 3 pouches. So I'm going to divide them or group them up by 3s. Each of those 1, 2, 3 coins represents the 3 pouches. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groupings of coins, of 3 coins. So there are 6 coins per pouch. I'm going to check my answers by replacing each pouch with 6 coins. So on the left side I would have 6, 6, and then my original, which is 12, and then my original 18. On the right side I would have 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, so I would have 30 plus my original 3. I just noticed I made a mistake. There are not 18 original coins on the left side. There are 21 original coins on the right side. So now when I add up both sides, I have 33 coins on my left, and that equals the 33 coins on my right. So what we have done today is taken the idea of coins representing the number 1 and pouches representing a variable such as x to determine what each value of the variable was. So in this case, what the pouches were worth, how many coins were in the pouch. We subtracted the smallest number of coins from both sides of the equations to maintain equality. And then if there were pouches on both sides of the equal sign, we crossed those off as well, maintained equality by subtracting from the left and the right, just the same. And then I took the remaining coins and divided them evenly among the pouches. That way I was able to find the value of each pouch and help King Monty determine how many coins were in each of those pouches. Now that you've watched this video, you have a couple tasks of responsibility that you need to complete by the end of this class. I would like you to complete the front page of the blue packet. The top of this page says Problem 3.2. You will see this located in your textbook on page 50. The coins themselves answer part B, but I would like you to complete problems A through B on that front page. Once you are done, I'd like you to check in with your math teacher, even the people around you, to make sure you're doing the problems correct. And then I would like you to check Moodle for the answer key. That way you can assess yourself to see if you're ready to move on to the homework. For your homework then, I'd like you to complete the Coins and Pouches worksheet. Your teacher will have this for you. Complete the front and back page for your homework tonight. Tomorrow you will check in with the video lesson and you will check in Moodle, but for tomorrow's class period, you need to have that done. So since you watched the video, you're done with that. Your next task is to complete the front page of the blue packet, okay? Again, check in with your teacher and Moodle for the answer key. Make sure you're doing it correctly. And then the second task of your to-do list is to complete the homework. If you can complete this in class, great. Otherwise, it is homework to be done outside of class. It is called Coins and Pouches Worksheet. I hope the lesson went well for you. We're going to wrap up with our everyday joke of the day. So today's joke of the day is, what letter is found in a cup? T, as in a teacup. Ha ha ha.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.